Hello and welcome to this Damien Photoshop tutorial, and this is the effect that we're going to create. Let's go ahead and go to your images folder and let's drag the photo of this person. Just click and drag it to Photoshop like this. Now double click on it to transform the background to a layer, and let's name the layer person and hit enter. Now get back to the images folder and do the same thing, but this time drag the water layer in your document, hold the Alt key and transform it like this. Double click on the image to commit the transformation. Let's double click on the name of the layer and let's rename it to water and hit enter. Now double click on the water layer to open its blending options, and in this blend if section it's set to gray, and let's drag the whites like this, and you see how the person layer starts to appear. Hold the Alt key on your keyboard and drag the left part of the slider like this to, let's see, somewhere around here, and you can copy these values from here and hit OK. Now select the person layer, hold Ctrl key on your keyboard and click here on this little plus button to create a new layer below the person layer. You can release the Ctrl key. Now just let's select the person layer, hit Ctrl plus T on your keyboard to transform it and drag the upper right corner like this to rotate it like this, and you can hold the Ctrl key on your keyboard while dragging. Let's zoom in. So when you hold the Ctrl key while dragging the layer, you can drag it more precisely. Let's double click to commit the transformation. Let's select layer 1, select the brush tool, hold the Alt key on your keyboard, and let's sample a color from around here from the gray background. Then Alt plus backspace on your keyboard to fill layer 1 with this same color. Now go to View, Fit Screen, and select the water layer, and let's add a levels adjustment layer, and from the preset drop down menu let's pick midtones darker. Now let's add a selective color layer, and in the whites let's increase the black a little bit like this. So somewhere around 30%. Now Let's create a new layer and go to image, apply image and hit OK. Now go to filter, other, high pass. Set the radius to 3 pixels and hit OK. Now go to image adjustments, levels and click it. Let's darken it a little bit, drag the black slider to the right, and let's drag the white slider to the left, somewhere around here. Now hit OK and change the blending mode of the layer to overlay. So this is before the effect and this is after. And let's reduce the opacity a little bit to 78%, so before and after. And let's finally add levels adjustment layer again and set it to mid-tones darker. And move the gray slider a little bit to the left like this. So something like this looks good. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to Damian Photoshop channel for more videos like this. Bye bye.